Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make this garlic butter Cajun shrimp pasta recipe. It's a flavor packed recipe, quick and easy to make. So if you guys are interested to see how I make this garlic butter Cajun shrimp pasta recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, I've got my shrimp. It's washed and clean. That's what it looks like. We're going to add some oil onto the shrimp. Then we're going to add our flavorful seasoning. So we're going to add our garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, paprika seasoning, complete seasoning, sea salt, ground black pepper, Italian seasoning, and then we're going to mix very well to combine those ingredients. To continue with this recipe, we're going to add a teaspoon of butter to the pot. We're going to add some oil. We're going to place our shrimp inside of the pot. Make sure the pot is nice and hot. And then we're going to cook our shrimp for 3 to 5 minutes on both sides. Just like that. That's what it looks like when there's no pink showing. That's when it's fully cooked. Right there, I'm adding my favorite yellow seasoning, guys. So flavorful. Then I'm going to add some garlic powder. Then I'm going to add my minced garlic. You can also add fresh garlic if you have. Just give that a very nice mix. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning just to add some more flavor to this garlic butter Cajun shrimp pasta recipe. To add more flavor and nice creamy texture, I am going to go in with my heavy cream. So for this recipe, you will need 2 cups of heavy cream. Now we are going to mix very well to combine the ingredients. To add more flavor and texture, we're going to go in with our Parmesan cheese. Mix again, and that looks absolutely delicious and flavorful. Now is the perfect time to add my bow tie pasta into the pot, and that's what it looks like, guys. So I went off camera and I added some sauce, some pepper sauce, like red pepper sauce. That's what gives this recipe this nice color. As you guys can see right there, it's rich in color, packed with flavor, quick and easy to make. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye, guys.